Tracking your business growth with financial dashboards is a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use them effectively so you can make data-driven decisions, optimize your financial strategy, and see where your business is heading in real time. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a unique free trial for the software we'll be using today, exclusive to my channel. First, let's dive into what a financial dashboard actually is. At its core, it's a visual tool that brings together all of your important financial metrics in one place. This could include cash flow, revenue, expenses, and profit margins. The power of using financial dashboards is that they give you a snapshot of your business at a glance, helping you track performance over time and ultimately making your business decisions easier and faster. One of the first things you need to track on your dashboard is cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business, and seeing it in real time lets you assess if you're burning through cash too quickly or if you have enough runway to scale. You'll want to have a graph or chart showing your incoming and outgoing cash so you can quickly spot trends. Next, focus on revenue tracking. Most dashboards allow you to break down your revenue streams, whether it's product sales, subscriptions, or other income sources. Tracking this lets you spot which areas are performing best and which might need attention. The dashboard software we're using today makes it easy to customize your revenue metrics to fit your business model. Another key aspect to include is expenses and overheads. Knowing where your money is going is essential to ensuring profitability. Set up categories to track fixed costs, variable costs, and one-time expenses, and review these regularly to ensure you're not overspending. The software will allow you to categorize expenses automatically, which saves you time and effort. When it comes to profit margins, you'll want to track how much you're making after expenses. A good dashboard will help you see this by automatically calculating your net income and comparing it against your gross revenue. This will help you keep your margins healthy and identify areas where you can improve. Let's not forget about financial forecasting. This is a powerful feature in most financial dashboards. By using historical data, you can project future revenue and expenses. This allows you to make strategic decisions like when to hire, invest in new equipment, or scale your marketing efforts. It's essential for long-term planning, and having this in a visual dashboard makes it so much easier to interpret. One more great feature of financial dashboards is real-time reporting. With the software we are using today, you can pull up live data anytime, giving you up-to-the-minute insights into your financial health. This is perfect for making quick decisions, like adjusting your budget or shifting resources to a more profitable area of your business. I also want to emphasize the importance of data integration. If you're using different tools for accounting, marketing, or sales, make sure your financial dashboard can pull data from all of them. This integration makes it easier to track your entire business performance in one place, saving you from jumping between multiple platforms. Now, here's a key takeaway. The more you track, the more control you'll have over your business's financial health. Using a financial dashboard isn't just about monitoring numbers. It's about using that data to make smarter decisions. Start tracking your cash flow, revenue, expenses, and profit margins in real time, and use those insights to drive your business forward. To wrap up, remember, financial dashboards give you a clear view of your business's growth. Track key metrics like cash flow, revenue, expenses, and profit margins. Use forecasting to plan ahead and always keep an eye on real-time data. Finally, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we used in today's tutorial, linked below. This will let you follow along and start using financial dashboards to track your business growth effectively. Thanks for watching.